Okay, let's talk about how to actually get those top grades in GCSE Geography. We're going to climb the grade ladder, step by step.
Right. First things first, stop making geography flashcards. No, I'm serious. If all you're doing is memorizing hundreds of random case study facts, you are going about this completely the wrong way.
And look, this isn't just my opinion. The official 2024 examiner reports are out, and they show that just listing off facts, well, it hits a wall. You get capped at a grade 5. That can seriously pull your whole grade down. But stick with me to the very end of this, because I am going to reveal the boss-level sentence that literally forces an examiner to give you a grade 9. See, to get the top grades, you have to stop just telling stories and start thinking like an examiner. It's a total mindset shift, and it is the one thing that separates the grade 9 students from everyone else. So, here's the game plan. I call it the examiner's grade ladder. We're going to cover the explainer for a grade 6, the developer for a 7, the where for an 8, and the arguer for a 9. You have to master these in order. You can't just skip ahead. Okay, step 1. Let's lock in that solid grade 6. This is your foundation. At this stage, you need to be the explainer. The examiner is basically thinking, does this student know their geography, and can they explain it? That word, explain, is everything. If you just list things, you're stuck at a grade 5. You have to explain. And how do you do that? Well, there's a magic structure. You build a chain reaction. Start with your point, link it with because, show the next step with this leads to, and wrap it up with therefore. So here it is in action. Deforestation causes soil erosion because there are no tree roots to bind the soil. This leads to heavy rain washing the loose soil away. Therefore, the land becomes infertile. See that? It's a perfect logical chain. That right there is your grade 6. All right, now let's level up. Step 2 is how we push for a grade 7. You need to become the developer. And to really get what this means, let's play a little game of spot the difference. Which one of these two answers do you think gets the higher grade? Okay, answer A says deforestation happens because a dam was built, which leads to habitat loss. And answer B says the Bakun Dam flooded 700 square kilometers of forest, which destroyed local habitats. Go ahead and pause right here and pick the one you think gets the grade 7. Okay, you got your answer? If you picked answer B, you are absolutely right. Look, answer A is a good grade 6, but answer B hits that grade 7 because it uses specific facts as evidence, naming the Bakun Dam, giving that specific number, 700 square kilometers. That's what elevates it. It's proof. All right, you've made it to a 7. This is great, but how do we break into the top tier, the 8s and 9s? Let's move on to step 3. Becoming the where for a grade 8.
The mindset here completely changes. Now the examiner is thinking, okay, can this student analyze and weigh things up? It's not enough to just explain and give evidence anymore. Now you have to judge. To nail a grade 8, you have to explicitly compare factors and say why one is heavier than the other, like this. While the economic benefit is vital, the permanent ecological destruction is more significant. Using that kind of comparative language is absolutely crucial.
Okay, deep breath. We are here, the final step, the boss level. This is for the grade 9. This is the arguer. This is the secret I promised you.
So let's play one last round of Spot the Difference. You're looking at 2 conclusions to a 9-mark question. Which one gets the 9?
Answer A, overall, the economic benefits are good, but the environmental negatives are bad. Answer B, although immediate aid is essential, long-term planning is more significant because its impact is more sustainable. Pause, read them carefully, and make your choice. Ready? The answer is B. Answer A just sits on the fence. It says this is good, but that is bad. There's no judgment. Answer B is what a grade 9 looks like. It makes a clear, confident judgment and then defends it. So here it is, the ultimate grade 9 cheat code. Decide your judgment immediately, argue it confidently, and never, ever sit on the fence.
Now, I know that's a lot to take in and apply on your own. So to make it easier, I put something together for you. I've created a completely free resource called the Ultimate GCSE Geography Grade 6 to 9 Blueprint. It's designed to help you put everything we just talked about into practice. Inside, you're going to find the exact cause and effect chains you need for grade 6.
You'll get specific, up-to-date 2024 case study facts for your grade 7 evidence. And you'll get the sentence starters to build your arguments for those grade 8s and 9s. So let's finish with a question for you. Using this new framework, which geography topic do you find the hardest to explain? Whatever just popped into your head, that's the perfect place to start practicing.